Yep. Well, look at this. We're here at Walmart, and I came to get some steaks, and I got Pennywise. You dig? Look at this guy. He's all jacked up. Got hydraulics and everything. It'd be cool to see this at night because everything lights up red. Pennywise moves now, and there's Georgie's arm. And it looks like he put a lift kit up on this thing because it is a lot taller than it was a couple of years back when I saw it. And there's Georgie back there. This is so neat. Look, he's got a little knife. How cool is that?
Awesome.
This is sweet. Look at that horn system back there. Can you imagine this coming up behind you with that big ass horn honking, brrr, like a damn semi truck? This is so cool. But yeah, congratulations, Aaron and Liza. I don't know. It's one of the three, right? on the wedding, man. Congrats on that. That is a bloody mess, huh, Harps? So look at this. I mean, it's all up in there. It is. Look at that.
He really went all out. It's changed a lot since the last time.
Yeah, he's totally lifted his truck. This truck is
awesome.
Like ginormous. It's super tall. He's got a massive lift. Look at that. He's got horns down here too. Look at this.
Oh,
yeah, well, that's not his horn, but
I bet you it looks awesome at night with the lights.
I know.
You've got lights on it too.
I was gonna go Six Flags tonight, but maybe I won't, and I'll see if this is still gonna be parked out here, and he might light it up tonight, and we could get a nice bird's eye view of it. Oh, there's little Pennywise.
Hiya, Georgie. What a nice boat. Do you want it back? You look like a nice boy. I bet you have a lot of friends. Where's he? I bet I could cheer him up.
Man, it'd be so cool to ride up in this truck.
Do you want a balloon?
Aaron, you need to give me a ride, brother.
Oh, well, I'm Pennywise, the dancing clown. Pennywise? Yes, meet Georgie. Georgie, meet Pennywise. Now we aren't strangers, are we? The storm blew me away. Blew the whole circus away. Can you smell the circus, Georgie? There's peanuts, cotton candy, hot dogs, and popcorn. Is that your favorite?
Uh-huh.
Mine too. Because they pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop, pop.
Like I said, follow him on Texas White Ram right there on Instagram, Aaron's page. Help a brother out. And then I believe he's part of the Texas Ram Club. So you can check that out as well. And you'll see some more lighting at nighttime with this. It looks amazing at nighttime. Well done, Aaron. You outdone yourself on this one. Pretty soon you have to get all the killers, man. Jason, Freddy, and just have a big old party in the back of the bed of the truck, man. Alright, this is Brown for Play signing out from San Antonio, Texas. Make sure y'all check out Texas White Ram on Instagram and say hi to Aaron.